Well, that's what the DM said, and then we repeatedly asked him, why is it that you rushed to carry out the cremation in the night? Why did you rush to carry out the cremation in the night? No clear answers being given on that specific point. The UP government has now set up an SIT. Alok, an SIT is being set up. An MP has come to meet the family. The administration is there to meet the family. All kinds of damage control being done after the family was repeatedly betrayed and let down in the last 2 weeks. Alok, can you hear me?
Yes, Tanvi, I can hear you because there is lot of kiosk and lot of things are happening at the residence of the girl. We are standing at right out there. In fact, these are the grieved family members, relatives and other neighbors of this particular family. In fact, they were telling to us that this is the same place where ambulance came, but ambulance did not allow to reach out to the home. In fact, not outside the home. They were that ambulance was not allowed to take the body to the house of that girl, and from this place only the ambulance was taken back to the cremation ground. The cremation ground is located around 600 to 700 meters from this place. So this was all happened. In fact, the people who are here, there most of them, and in fact everybody is complaining that the police was not allowing anybody to see the dead body of the girl. So this is what the family claim is. Just a few minutes ago, DM, SP, MP of this particular area, and also MLA, they all arrived here. They tried to pacify the family, but the family is not at all looking to hear them, to listen them, and they are still demanding action against the officers who did this act. Because the family, it was the family's first thing that they want. At least they want, at least in the humanity, it also says that the family should be allowed to see the face of the girl. At least they were not allowed to do the rituals, and now the family is demanding action against the administrative officers, whether it's the policemen, whether it's the from the administration side. That is what they are demanding. They have given the assurance that the SIT has been formed, and after the SIT will give the report within 1 week, then the action will be taken place. So this is what the administration, this is what the MP has assured them, but family is not at all satisfied with their reaction. Back to you.
Okay, Alok, I will come back to you, but I just also want to play out another sequence that Alok has got for us. This is, Miranau here asking some questions to the authorities there. Take a look.
बस पूछना चाहते थे, फैमिली मेंबर्स अभी भी ये क्लेम कर रही है कि कहीं पर भी उनका कंसेंट नहीं हुआ था. क्या हरी थी? व्हाट वाज द हरी इन क्रीमेटिंग द बॉडी?
नहीं, फैमिली मेंबर ने जैसा बताया था उन्हीं के हिसाब से तो हुआ था.
कैसे, कितने बजे?
पिताजी थे और भाई, वही लोग कहे थे.
उसके भाई ने कहा?
पिताजी और भाई आए थे ना दिल्ली से बॉडी लेके.
हाँ,
उन्होंने कहा था कि कर लेंगे. हम
नहीं तो सर, आप अगर हम लोग के पास जो वीडियो है, जो हम लोग ने देखा वहाँ पर, ठीक है सर, जो हमने वहाँ पर देखा, वहाँ पर मीडिया को घेराबंदी कर रखा था और जाने नहीं दिया था.
थैंक यू.
ये बता दीजिए सर, कैसे किया गया सर, क्यों किया गया? हरीडली?
थैंक यू. हरीडली नहीं था, जैसा उन्होंने चाहा वैसे.
सर तो कोई प्रूफ है आपके पास? क्योंकि फैमिली मना कर रही है.
मैं कह रहा हूँ ना आपसे,
तो फैमिली तो मना कर रही है सर. कैसे? तो अब आप क्या स्पेसिफाई क्यों कर रहे हैं सर? आप लोग क्या है, सिचुएशन क्या है सर? सर व्हाट इज द सिचुएशन राइट नाउ सर? सर सिचुएशन क्या है सर? सर जवाब दीजिए ना सर. सर जवाब दीजिए प्लीज. सर यू हैव टू आंसर सर. एसपी सर, डीएम सर, यू हैव टू आंसर. डीएम सर, एज यू सेड दैट द यू विल. सर डीएम सर जवाब तो दीजिए. एसपी सर, सर आपको आंसर देना पड़ेगा सर. क्या हुआ है सर? अभी क्या सिचुएशन है, कुछ तो बताइए सर. सर क्यों बॉडी जलाई गई बिना फैमिली के बताए हुए सर? सर प्लीज, सर जवाब दीजिए सर प्लीज. सर जवाब दीजिए सर. सर
क्या जवाब देंगे? What answers will they give? And this is the kind of betrayal that has happened, where the family has been let down. Imagine an entire convoy of police officials, senior inspectors, SP, the district magistrate himself, all of them present. Overnight, the family is brought in along with the body in an ambulance from the national capital to Hathras. We're going to come to this story in just a bit. Big breaking news coming in on the Babri verdict. Let's go across.